Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. This is going to be a video showing you how I'm going to convert my children's old play set in my backyard to an adult swing set. This isn't a project I plan to do. I just got a new power washer and I was spraying off my porch and I was amazed by how great everything looked. And I just came over here. The swing set is very dirty. So this is the new wood the new old wood that is being revealed. So I decided that I'm going to finish power washing it, and then I plan to leave all the hardware hangers where they are, but I ordered really nice, like a macrame crocheted look chair, 2 of them to go there possibly, or you could even do like a full bench. Anyway, I'm going to continue to power wash and then I'll show you each step as I get to it. That's amazing. I'm now at the point where I removed all of the hardware, and what I had to do was take a ratchet, remove the nut from the top, then I took a hammer and hit it down to the wood surface, and then all of this was still in between those boards. So what I did was I had to take these to my shop and bend these because they were like flush. So then what I did was took this and put it in a drill, and it works great. I just used it to unscrew these from the top. So I'm just going to do that in reverse. I might be able to hit these back up through. Okay, everybody, through the magic of YouTube, it is a year later and I've enjoyed this swing set area all this time. I will link the chairs in the description of this video and probably do like a pop-up so that you can find them on Amazon. But I have some potted flowers on that top tier, and then I just kind of made a makeshift table in between, brought a rug over that I already had, and then at night those lights come on. So this was very simple to do. You can let your imagination run wild and hang other things. I thought about doing like something from that end there. There used to be a baby swing on that side, and there is room to do like a hanging, I don't know, like maybe a sun catcher or something of that nature. So anyway, I hope this video was helpful and inspiring to somebody. Make sure you're following me, not just here on YouTube, but also on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And until next time, take care.